Made in China, green sealing. Huatai Group as wastewater treatment solution exported to Tanzania. The customized 20 cubic meters green and oil wastewater treatment equipment and 10 cubic meters per whole pure water preparation system for our client in Tanzania have been successfully manufactured and shipped. Wastewater treatment system will operate in tandem with the customer's previously purchased Huatai 50-ton sunflower seed oil production line. The system adopts a dual-core process of pre-treatment plus biochemical treatment, ensuring efficient purification and long-term compliance. Two-stage high-efficiency air flotation integrates demulsification and coagulation technologies to rapidly separate oils and suspended solids. Intelligent biochemical treatment utilizes efficient microbial technology to thoroughly decompose organic pollutants, achieving stable discharge. The entire system features intelligent operation, low energy consumption, and strong adaptability, providing customers with a sustainable wastewater treatment solution for pure water preparation. An advanced filtration and sorption membrane separation process is used to ensure high-quality production water. This delivery once again highlights Huatai Group as technical strengths in green and oil machinery and environmental water treatment, as well as its global service capabilities. Huatai remains committed to providing worldwide customers with technologically advanced, cost-effective environmental protection equipment and integrated solutions. The successful implementation of the Tanzania project marks another solid step forward in Huatai's practice of green technology and shared global development. For high-end green and oil equipment, choose Huatai Group.